But it's also really important to unleash creativity. So often in our companies, we treat people without trust. We tell them that this is your job, don't bother anyone else. You're only good at this, don't go outside those boundaries. We don't tell people, go change the world. Come up with an idea that can affect millions of lives. We don't say, you're responsible for coming up with the best-selling products and services of the future. And it's only when we start to do that with people across the organisation and different levels of seniority that we see this blossoming and this inspiration and this passion that comes out during sprints. It's really a wonderful thing as a coach to see on every single sprint.